Chat, shut the fuck up. Wait, it's time to fucking react to a video. Why is this song playing? Chat, say hello to Meme Street. Also, my camera's on the wrong side. Yo, Puffer TV, what's up? We're farming videos today. What's up? Hope you guys enjoy. Try not to cry laughing. Chat, don't cry. All right, let's get it. Of course, that's the first meme. Literally, the first fucking thing.
I'm
sorry.
Oh, Doja Cat.
I'm actually in the professional mini hoop league.
I have seen, this is my favorite fucking video. Yo, whoever this guy is, I hope you thrive on Twitch, bro.
Oh, you mean like the ones that you just stick on your door?
Yeah, but like it's like a league, yeah. Do you want to see me dunk?
Sure.
Yeah? Okay. Are you guys ready?
Dude, you can see him. Look at him soaring in, bro. Look. I fucking love this. It's the funniest fucking clip, man.
Bath that ironically looks like the color of piss.
What the fuck?
I have a genuine question for all men. All sexually active men, I should say.
Oh.
When a woman tells you...
Oh. Why do I laugh at shit like that? This is about to be wicked. No, this is about to be so cool. Oh! Oh! What's the fucking point of lighting it up if you're just gonna hit your hand on the table? All that lighting up, and for what? You gotta keep your eyes on the prize. Oh. Pablo, thank you for the gift.
I promise to always let you smash with the boys.
It's a video game.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Oh no! The boat!
Scienze.
I'm laughing because I have the most dramatic sneeze ever. I really do have a fucking dramatic sneeze for no reason. Ooh.
I'll give you
Okay.
$60.
Wow. No way.
Oh,
I think he still made it.
Hey dad, it's your son. Mom beats me every night saying that it's my fault for having your big ass forehead. I told her to not worry because yours beats mine by 1.5 miles.
What? I have a kid? I don't got a big ass forehead, okay? It's a normal forehead. Thank you. Look, it's either a big forehead or emo bangs, and I'd rather have a big forehead, okay?
Hi, I'm Ricky Berwick.
Yo, what up?
And this is Jackass.
Ricky, what the fuck? I love this clip, not because of what they did, but because of this just silent laughing. Just not trying to laugh so hard.
Yo, PJ, you want any more of this cookie dough?
Ah, just dudes being dudes. What's better than that?
Nah, man, I'm good.
All right.
Here comes the chin.
What the fuck? Look, you gave her a note.
Hi there. Hello.
Hey, what? What are we doing, meme sheep? We gotta chill out. We gotta chill. We can't just be having this show up on stream. Chat, you didn't warn me?
You have a minute to save a child's life?
Yeah, I guess.
I need you to pick you from the hotel, and I recommend you get out of my face.
Or what?
Nathan, call 911.
Why is that so funny? Why? Why is that so funny? Just the way he says Nathan. Bro.
How are you today?
What was that? What was the point of that? Oh, yeah. That's good.
My wife's computer, RBG. The computer room light, RGB. The humidifier, RGB. The hallway, RGB. The toilet.
Wait a minute. You can think RGB shits? Bro, that looks scrumdiddly-umptious. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey Dad, it's me again.
Shut the fuck
Sorry
up.
about what I said to you earlier. I should have brought it down a level for your 5'9" goofy emo ass haircut looking ass.
Oh, you're fucking grounded, Jammer. You're fucking grounded. What the fuck is going on? No way it's flying. Is this the new shit? Because I do not remember. Why the hell is Mark Wahlberg holding a goddamn Excalibur sword? Whew. Yo, back up, homie. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh my god! What the hell was that?
Sorry. Why does this look so familiar? I'm just looking at the slide. Why does it look so familiar? I don't know what it was. There was a concrete slide where I used to live, and this looks exactly like it. And it was so goddamn dangerous. Damn, that motherfucker doing a core workout right now. Look at him go.
The sexiest one of them all. We have the British accent.
It's me, Frost! I'm fucking filming! Whoever's put shit through my letterbox, I'm gonna smash you in it! You fucking dick! What shit?
Hola, listo, Scoop!
Name? What? What is your name? Tony! Fuck you, Tony!
Fuck you, Tony!
What's your name? Ezekiel!
Fuck you, Ezekiel!
Fuck you! Fuck you! Hey, you know what I did last night? You better not break my mother into this! You know what I did? You better not! I put that fire over there! Oh! And I fucked your mother next to it! Fuck you, Ezekiel! I'm coming, King Julian! Tra-la-la-la-la.
Got a little excited. Oh my god.
C'est qui ça? C'est pour qui ça? Va par ta papy. Va par ta papy. Viens. Viens.
Bro, why are you so mad? It's okay.
Oh, I'm feeling beautiful.
Boom. Get it buried? No.
Are you getting the bus, mate? Are we? You've got your mask on?
Park too close and they will ding your shit. I have kids. Park too close and I'll ding your shit. I can't fucking wait to see what happens, boy.
Oh, what a day. Morning, WHEEZE. Morning, squirrels. Morning, 2-ton space rock hurtling down on my hip.
If you had 24 hours with me and I couldn't say no, what would we do?
Well, youngin', we'd go fishing, and you and I'd have a talk about your goals in life.
Hey, you know what? Ain't nothing wrong with fishing. Hey, absolutely. Respect, absolutely. Ain't nothing wrong with fishing.
Don't do it. Do not do it. Don't. Let's hope it ends there. I swear to God.
This is why cats are evil, bro. This motherfucker knows what he's doing. He wants to push it off. The woman is saying no. Cat's looking her in the fucking eyes. He's gonna push it down. Watch. Oh.
That's right. You put it back.
Never mind. I was wrong.
Thank you.
Wait, I was... About Holy shit, that is terrifying. What the fuck? Hey. Oh no. Oh no. Don't move. Wait, if you don't move, it won't see you, right? Isn't that how this thing works? Right? Maybe? Maybe not. That motherfucker ran out of his shoes. He ran out of his fucking shoes. I thought I was gonna pull an Ozzy Osbourne. Oh, I thought I got a sub.
So you have to get the $5 bill without moving the hand sanitizer.
Okay.
Or knocking it over.
Gotcha.
And if you can't do it, then I get the $5.
Okay. But I can't do it. Because that's glued to the $5 bill.
No, it's not.
Hog as fuck. Holy shit.
Wait. That's not how you...
That's how you do it. Genius.
Why isn't it possible? It's just not. Why not, you stupid bastard?
I've never. He's big too.
Walls.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on, man. Hold on. I know, man. You worked a long time. Oh, man. No, man. What the hell? Oh, my God. No way, yeah.
The shoe is singing. No way.
Let me see the tongue. Oh, my God. Who is that coming off the pick and roll?
These are what my summer fun consists of: pizza, my dog, Code Red Mountain Dew, and a brand new PS4 controller.
I feel like I've seen that before, but it's still funny. I want to do that. Build it in your backyard? Yeah, sure thing. Let me get on that. I don't think he's okay though, honestly. I would be surprised if the balls broke his like momentum. I mean, obviously they had to, but like I'd put like a mattress or something back there, you know?
I ordered a pepperoni pizza and you sent me just dough. There's nothing on it.
Oh no. Are you sure that's not the breadsticks? Did you open up all the
No, it's not the breadsticks. I'm not stupid. I mean, I can see what breadsticks are. This is in the pizza box, and there's no sauce. There's no cheese and there's no pepperoni. It's just bread.
It's flipped upside down, isn't it?
Why are you making me do this? Just give me the refund. Give me the pizza that I ordered.
Your hand over? Yeah, just like that.
This is so stupid.
Box, I think all your problems will be solved here.
No, there's no way that's real. No, there's no way. There's no way that's real. I worked at Domino's, okay? No shot. Unless they're fucking bored out of their minds. There's no way a worker would even give this motherfucker the time of the day unless they were fucking bored out of their mind. I would hang up. And if it is real, God bless her.
Holy shit.
Hello. That was someone eating it? He's gonna get a match. He's gonna get a match. He's gonna get... Let's go!
Battles of hate. Eminem. IPS.
No way!
My name is Eminem and I like to rap.
Like it's so loud. Please don't.
Most of the time. When you're eating at Applebee's and the waiter says that they're out of apples.
Wait. Hey.
That's what I came here for. Dude. Dude, why'd he smack him like that? Chat, look at the acting. Watch the acting here.
Never seen the other one as bad.
One more time. Hold on, one more time. I want to see a slap one more time.
Never seen the other one as bad.
Look at Yoda's expression right after he gets slapped.
Never seen the other one as bad.
Motherfucker literally he can't fucking believe it. They're getting intelligent. Oh no. Oh, stop it. Stop. You can stop it. Oh, good. Oh. Oh. Oh, God damn it.
Ooh. Oh.
Let me know when you want to come home. I'll come and get you.
Why'd you park here?
It's just noise. It's just fucking noise. And it's so funny.
Park here? My boyfriend, you're parked next to my boyfriend's car. It's a parking lot. I can park next to anybody I want. You're parked next to my boyfriend, though. Can nobody park in a parking lot next to your boyfriend's car? Get out of my spot. This isn't... Don't park next to my boyfriend. Are you crazy? Are you insecure? Are you crazy? I know you not just say that to me. What is your problem? Get out of my parking spot. You're parked next to my boyfriend.
Look at how she is staring at her. Eyes wide open. Can't fucking believe this bitch is saying this. There's no way you're that insecure. No fucking way. Oh. Aww. Friendship.
It's pog as fuck. Holy shit.
Friendship.
Watch another video for more funny men.
I actually will because I need another video. Yo, Puffer TV. See you in the next video.